So the topic is system of linear equation. We are studying linear algebra and we have already discussed what is a matrix, type of matrix, operations on matrix. We have discussed determinant, minors, cofactors. We have also discussed inverse of a matrix, adjoint of a matrix, rank of a matrix, and now we are at equivalent form of a matrix also. And now we are discussing system of linear equation. In order to understand system of linear equation, you should know how to find rank of a matrix. Then you will be able to solve numericals on this topic. So suppose an m number of equations are given. So m linear equation are given in n unknowns. So these are our coefficients. These are our coefficients, and the term x1, x2, x3, xn are our unknowns, and a11, a12, a1n, a21, a22, a2n dot all are our coefficient. So we represent it as in the matrix form as ax equals to b. So representing coefficient as capital A, coefficient matrix as capital A, unknowns as x, and the terms in RHS as b. So ax equals to b is the matrix form of this system of linear equation, where a is called as coefficient matrix, x is called as our unknown vector, and b is our remaining terms in RHS of the linear equations. Now we have two types of system. The first system is homogeneous system and the second is non-homogeneous system. Let's take an example of homogeneous system. So suppose equation is given as x1 plus x2 equals to 0 and 2x1 plus 3x3 equals to 0. This type of equation where RHS is equals to 0 is called as homogeneous system, and if RHS is not equals to 0, then the system is called as non-homogeneous system. So it is represented as ax equals to b, and the homogeneous system is represented as ax equals to 0. Now the set of values which satisfy all the equation are called as solution of the linear equation. The set of values x1, x2 satisfying all the equation is called solution of this system of linear equation. The set of values which satisfies all the equation of this system of linear equation are called solution of system of linear equation. Now we have two types of solution here. The first type of solution is consistent and the second is inconsistent. Consistent solution has at least one solution, and in inconsistent solution there are no solution. So consistent solution, at least one solution is there which is satisfying these equations. Now in consistent solution we have, if the solution is unique, then we call the system as determinant, and if it has more than one solution, then it is called as indeterminate solution. So there are two types of solution: consistent, inconsistent. In consistent solution there is at least one solution, and in inconsistent solution there is no solution. And in consistent solution, if there is only one solution, then it is called as determinant system, and if there are more than one solution, then it is called as indeterminate system. Now we have one more thing, augmented matrix. So what is an augmented matrix? Let's take this example and represent it in the form of augmented matrix. So we are representing it as follows: A and B. So I hope it is visible. I am writing it here. So augmented matrix of this matrix, this is augmented matrix representation, and it can be represented as 1 1 2 2 3 3. This is our augmented matrix, where we are including our coefficients and the values in our RHS. So this is our augmented matrix. These are our coefficient of our variables, and 2 3 are the elements which are in RHS. So this is how we represent augmented matrix. In the next video we will see one question on this topic, and after that we will see how to find solution of homogeneous system, and then how to find solution of non-homogeneous system, and we will solve some question on that, and after that we will see what is eigenvalues and eigenvectors.